Les articles partitifs. Partitive articles are used with uncountable nouns. Meaning is some. Du with masculine singular nouns beginning with the consonant. The la feminine singular nouns beginning with the consonant. The la masculine feminine nouns beginning with vowel or silent h. And they are used with masculine and feminine plural nouns. Now, in a negative sentence, partitive articles becomes the or the apostrophe. For example, je ne mange pas de viande. Ne and pas is there, so we are using the. Il n'y a pas de sel dans la soupe. Again, ne and pas is there means this is a negative sentence, so we are using the. In sentences, affirmative and negative, if we have aimer, adorer, préférer, détester verbs, we always use definite articles. J'aime le chocolat. Aimer is there, so le. Elle déteste le lait. Détester is there, so we are using le. Elle n'aime pas la soupe. Again, this is a negative sentence, but because aimer verb is there, so we are using la. With expressions beaucoup, combien, un peu, assez, tant, trop, plus, moins, we always use the or the apostrophe. For example, elle aime beaucoup de sucre. So we are using the with beaucoup. Now we have a quiz for you. Quickly do it. I'm starting the timer. Here we have the answers. And this is a quiz for you. Do it and send me the answers in comments. I will respond to you. Thank you so much.